Welcome back to Saving Made Easy, friends, and happy Valentine's Day. Today, I'm going to share with you some killer couponing deals that you can do at Dollar General this Saturday, February 19th. We have so many little freebies, cheapies, and moneymakers at Dollar General this week. Leave this video a thumbs up if you like freebies, and be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how to stock up on paper products for just 85 cents each. Okay, this first transaction is going to have a super low out-of-pocket cost at the end. You're going to start by picking up one of the Crest toothpaste with scope. This is the $1 version. You might find it in the dollar section of your Dollar General. My store was out, so that's why I'm showing you this little screenshot here. But you should find this and use the $1 digital coupon on it, making it a freebie. Be sure to use your Dollar General app and scan the product to make sure that it qualifies for this coupon. You should have no problem with this, but I just like to double check all the time. So that's going to be a freebie, $1 for one coupon. And then you're also going to pick up one of the Airwick scented oil warmers. These are now $2 instead of $1.65, which is a huge bummer because we've been getting these for free for so long. We still have a coupon that makes it pretty much free, but not the case with the Febreze plug, which I will get to in a little bit. But anyway, pick up one of the Airwick scented oil warmers for $2. We do have a $1.99 digital coupon, making it basically a freebie. You pay it 1 cent. So that's going to be a nice filler item for this transaction as well. Next, pick up one of the Colgate Junior toothpaste. This is the kids toothpaste for $1, and it's the 2.7 ounce. And we have a $2 digital coupon that actually works on this, making it $1 worth of overage that will apply to something else in your cart. So that's $1 moneymaker there. Next, pick up one of the Crest mouthwashes with scope. This is the 1.2 fluid ounces. These are in the little travel section. These are just $1, and you also have $1 off digital coupon that applies, making it another freebie. Next, pick up one of the Vicks VapoCool packs of cough drops. These are $2, and you've got the $1 digital coupon, so making it half price essentially. My store was out, unfortunately. Next, you're going to pick up one of the Jergens body butter, not the regular lotion, but it looks like this. It's $3.38 on clearance, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon on that, so around half price for that. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Microban bathroom sprays. We've been getting a lot of these lately for pretty cheap. These are $3.25, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making it just $1.25. So let's use those up while we can. Next, pick up 4 of the sweet tarts. These are $1 a piece, so $4, but they are buy 3, get 1 free, so one of those will be free. And then once you complete your transaction, you can submit your receipt to Ibotta and get 50 cents back on each one, so an extra $1.50 back on that as well. Also, pick up one of the Nivea lotions for $3.65. We have a $2 off digital coupon on that, making it just $1.65. And last but not least, pick up 2 of the Suave hand soap. They are $2 a piece, so $4 for both. And we have $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure your $5 off of 25 is clipped. And your subtotal for this first transaction should come to $25.28. And we're getting a lot of things here. And your out-of-pocket cost after all of those coupons come off is going to be just $3.79 plus tax. I really don't think you can beat that. So for a little variation on that first deal, you could do this next deal that I'm going to mention the exact same way, and at the end of the deal, instead of picking up 2 of the Suave hand soaps, and 1 of the Nivea lotions. You could swap those both out for 1 package of quilted northern toilet paper for $6.50. We have a $1.50 off digital coupon. You would still need to get one $1 item from the $1 aisle just to get you over your $25 threshold. I like to grab a little sponge or something. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped. Again, you're doing this deal the exact same way. You just want to add that toilet paper at the end instead of the Nivea and the Suave soap. Your subtotal for that should come to $25.13, and your out-of-pocket cost after all those coupons come off would be just $5.64 plus tax, which is less than the price of 1 pack of that quilted northern toilet paper. So great deal. This next deal is great if you need to stock up on personal care stuff, and it's super easy if you're a beginner couponer. There is like nothing to this deal. You do need to have 3 paper coupons though. Unfortunately, this is not an all digital deal like I typically like, but if you do have paper coupons, it is definitely worth it. So start by picking up 1 of the Dove women's body wash and 1 of the men's body wash as well, the Dove men's body wash. The women's will be $7, the men's will be $5.50, so $12.50 for both. But we do have a buy one get one free paper coupon from the 213 Save insert from the Sunday paper. You're also going to pick up 2 of the Garnier shampoo and conditioner, $3 each for $6 for both. And you have a $4 off paper coupon from that same 213 Save insert as well. And last but not least, pick up 2 of the Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. These would be $7 for both because they are $3.50 a piece. And you're going to use, again, the $4 off paper coupon from the 213 Save insert. Make sure your 5 off of 25 is clipped, and don't forget to hand over your paper coupons last. Let the cashier hit total, let that $5 digital come off before you hand over your paper coupons. So your subtotal should come to $25.50, and your out-of-pocket cost after those 3 paper coupons plus your 5 off of 25 is going to be just $7 plus tax for all 6 items? Yes, 6 items. Don't forget to be on the lookout for price slashes on Valentine's candy and decor items this week after Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments down below if you're the kind of person who stocks up on holiday candy after the holiday has passed, or if you are strictly Valentine's stuff only on Valentine's Day. I'm curious to know. There are also some really hot deals at CVS this week that I'll be posting on my Instagram, so I encourage you to follow me over there and or on TikTok for different content that I'll be posting. Last but not least, I promised you a paper product stock up deal, and I am going to deliver. We are going to start by picking up 1 of the Scott toilet paper for $5. We have a $1 off digital coupon on that. Next, we're going to pick up 1 of the Scott paper towels for $5.95 and and we have a $1 off digital coupon on that as well. And you're also going to grab another 1 of each, 1 Scott toilet paper and 1 Scott paper towel. You need to make sure that you're spending over $20 on these products for the instant savings. On these 2, you can use the $1 digital coupons that are available on the coupons.com app. There is a link in the description box down below. If you don't have the app yet, you can sign up there. And then we're just going to add some filler items here to get that total down. So again, you can add 1 of the Crest with scope for $1. Use the $1 off digital coupon. 1 of the Airwick scented oil warmers for $2 and use the $1.99 digital coupon. 1 of the Colgate Kids toothpaste for $1 and use the $2 off digital coupon. That's a $1 moneymaker. 1 of the Crest Scope Classic mouthwash for $1 and use the $1 off digital coupon there. Last but not least, grab one of the Microban bathroom cleaner sprays for $3.25 and use the $2 off digital coupon. Remember that $4 of instant savings is going to come off the top of your transaction first. Your subtotal will come to $31.50 and your out-of-pocket cost will be just $8.26 plus tax, or 91 cents per item. I hope you found these Dollar General couponing deals helpful. If you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button and bop the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of this easy savings. And until next time, friends, happy saving.